Fischer Elektronik, cooling, protecting, connecting. At Fischer, we pride ourselves on our heat sinks, connectors and aluminium enclosures made to the highest standards for all our global customers in the electrical and electronic market sectors. Our reputation for top-quality end products starts with the supply and stocking of sensitive raw material under the best conditions and the inspection of incoming raw materials. Our state-of-the-art stock storage system ensures optimum storage conditions, fast retrieval of any required profile, and optimized stock control. The storage system feeds seamlessly into our automated sawing stations. From here, depending on how much processing is needed, the cut lengths are distributed to dedicated CNC stations. Whilst the quality of our milling is extremely high, our efficiencies allow us to offer extremely competitive part costs at high processing quality. Specifically for the growing LED lighting sector, we can offer specially designed circular and machined heat sinks. High-volume stamped heat sinks are produced on a fully automated, highly efficient system. Complex products are inspected with optical 3D measurement technology. Setup and processing transit times are optimized to guarantee the highest productivity and keep unit costs low, whilst retaining flexibility in our approach to our applications. Products with decorative finishes require deburring before final treatment. These small copper heat sinks are produced in high quantities, ready for use. Moreover, all steps required in the cleaning process, up to the final step, are fully automated. Once cleaned, heat sinks are given a protective coating to guard against corrosion, as well as providing a hard, scratch-proof surface. Screen printing is another choice we offer in our production facility, working directly with the graphic designs of our customers. We can also integrate customer-supplied modules into our production processes. Each product we produce is scanned directly into our ERP system from our mobile terminals, meaning that real-time inventory control is available at all times. Our standard stock range is available on short delivery times. Fischer can also offer injection moulded parts to the highest standard. And it goes without saying that we can realize individual pins to any length to meet customer demands. Our gold plating process ensures guaranteed layer thickness. Our innovative pick and place machine for connectors, made in Germany. Our huge range of standard articles has more than 75,000 items in the field of heat sinks, aluminium enclosures and connectors. We're able to meet virtually any need, no matter the size, the number of contacts or the surface finish. If the standard range does not provide a solution, we can provide our customers with bespoke solutions. A modern tool-making department works alongside our production department to provide complex tools and devices to aid the manufacturing process. Our trainees work under the professional guidance and supervision of experienced engineers who help to develop their skills. The R&D development department works with state-of-the-art thermal simulation software for calculating optimal cooling solutions. all departments work together to provide efficient project management under the banner Sustainable, Cost-Effective Solutions and Applications. Fischer Elektronik, cooling, protecting, connecting, made in Germany.